The aphids disappeared after just one use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1¼ cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add ½ a tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add ½ a tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. Drop this into a molehill, and the pest will be gone from your garden in no time. All you need is a regular chewing gum. The flavor is key. Go for mint. The strong minty scent and its ingredients are extremely irritating to moles. They can't stand the smell and quickly look for a quieter place. Confused and discouraged, the mole will leave your garden before you even get back inside. A simple and fast trick. No chemicals, no digging. I put it in the molehill, and the moles flee from the garden. Just 2 things are enough to keep them away. When you see molehills, act immediately. First, grab an empty plastic bottle. You'll also need a drill and a stick. Use the drill to make a hole at the bottom of the bottle so the stick can pass through and hold it in place. Next, take a marker and draw 4 rectangles on the bottle, leaving one long side uncut. These will be your cutting lines. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut along the lines. Fold the cutout rectangles outward as shown in the video. Press them at the base so they don't bend back into place. Now, insert the stick through the hole at the bottom of the bottle, and you're ready to go to the garden. When you open a molehill, you'll see a tunnel inside. Brush your dog and collect the fur. Don't throw it away. Instead, place some in each molehill. Moles avoid dogs, and the scent of fur will keep them away. Additionally, use the bottle. When the wind blows, it spins and makes noise. Placed in the molehill, it will scare the moles away. This simple trick will help you get rid of moles in your garden. Stick a regular screwdriver into your lawn. This simple test will check the condition of the grass. It can help you save your lawn from yellowing and bare spots. Taking care of a lawn is not the easiest task, especially in the summer. Watering the grass is one of the most crucial factors. Most people don't know when and how often to do it. It turns out that you don't have to do it by guesswork. The screwdriver test is the best guide. You just need to take a long tool, preferably over 15 centimeters. Stick this screwdriver into several spots on the lawn. If the tool goes all the way into the ground, it means the grass doesn't need watering. The soil is soft and moist. However, if the screwdriver stops or requires a lot of force to be inserted, it's a sign that the soil is dry. Grass roots are shallow, so such a lawn should be watered as soon as possible. This simple method was shown to me by a gardener. I have been using it for a few weeks, and my lawn is greener and more hydrated than ever before. Pour into the molehill if you have a problem with moles in the garden. This is a great homemade and inexpensive solution. Making this mixture takes only a moment. First, prepare 300 milliliters of warm water. This will be the base of our solution. Add a tablespoon of coffee, which with its intense aroma repels all rodents, including moles. Then pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, which will effectively deter moles with its sharp smell. Add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper to the mixture, which will make our solution even more unpleasant for moles. Finally, add a tablespoon of granulated garlic, known for its mole and pest repellent properties. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform solution is formed. To start using it, dilute it. You only need 100 milliliters of the mixture per liter of water. Pour it regularly into the molehills, preferably in the evenings when moles are most active. This natural remedy is safe for plants and pets. Try it yourself and say goodbye to moles once and for all. Get rid of moles once and for all. Just 1 tablespoon of a homemade mixture will scare off all the moles. If you're dealing with this problem, be sure to try this simple and inexpensive method. Start by taking a small bowl. Add a tablespoon of garlic powder or freshly chopped garlic. Its intense smell irritates moles and other pests, effectively driving them away. Next, add a tablespoon of black ground pepper. The piperine in it is a deterrent to the mole's respiratory system. The next ingredient is dried mint. The strong, refreshing scent of mint also effectively repels moles. Mix all the ingredients well. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a small section. Add 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the center and wrap it tightly, forming a small sealed package. Use a toothpick to make a few small holes in the foil. This will allow the intense smell of the mixture to escape, effectively repelling the moles. Place these packets in the molehills, and the moles will quickly leave your garden. Try this natural method and enjoy a pest-free garden. Sprinkle it on the grass, and the ants will disappear. This is an effective, natural way to fight ants on your lawn. The powder works mainly because of its strong scent, which disrupts ants' ability to navigate and communicate. As a result, ants will avoid your lawn and garden. Just sprinkle it where you see ants or their nests. It will effectively drive them away. They won't want to stay where they feel unsafe. Fortunately, not only ground cinnamon works against ants. If you have a bigger ant problem, use cinnamon oil. Just a few drops are enough to make an effective spray bottle. Add the drops to water and spray the areas where ants appear. Cinnamon oil lasts a long time and works just like ground cinnamon. The scent not only repels ants, but also helps protect plants by creating a natural barrier. Try this method and use it regularly. You'll see how easy and eco-friendly it is to get rid of ants. A single spoonful is enough to get rid of moles in the garden. You can make a mixture from it that will chase away all the moles. If you have a problem with moles in your garden, try this cheap and effective homemade solution. Preparing this mixture takes just a moment. Start by heating 300 milliliters of water, which will be the base of the solution. Add a tablespoon of coffee. Its intense smell repels rodents, including moles. Then pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, whose strong odor effectively discourages these animals. Add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper to make the solution even more unpleasant for moles. Finally, add a tablespoon of granulated garlic, known for its pest-repelling properties. Mix everything thoroughly to get a uniform solution. Before use, dilute it. 100 milliliters of the mixture is enough for 1 liter of water. Regularly pour the solution into all the molehills. Remove the top layer of soil to reveal the entrance of the mole's tunnel. Pour the prepared liquid into it. It's best to do this in the evenings when moles are most active. This natural remedy is safe for plants and pets. You can use it without worry. Try it and you'll get rid of moles once and for all.